Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Krishna and today we are going to see important questions in 8th class biology. I think it is helpful to all 8th class students. So today we are seeing 10th lesson in biology. We completed 9th lesson previous class. In this class we will learn 10th lesson. 10th lesson important questions in biology 8th class. Okay, so let's begin our class. So this the 10th lesson. This lesson name is not for drinking, not for breathing. Okay, not for drinking, not for breathing. Don't be surprised and shocked with seeing these questions because it is very easy questions. So let's begin our class. So firstly you have to listen lesson in YouTube. First you have to listen. Don't learn questions by blindly before listening the lesson. Okay, you have to listen the lesson in YouTube. After come to this class. Okay, open page number 261. There you can see first question. You have to learn that question. It is very important question. And open page number 262. There is third question. We have to learn third question. After 264, open page number 264. We have to learn seventh question. Okay, seventh question. After open page number 267, learn 11th question. These are important questions. Okay, next open page number 277. Go to page number 277 and learn fifth question. In that fifth question, it is very important. They show you the percentage of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, water vapor, other trace gases with table. Okay, which is present in atmosphere. Okay, next open page number 278. You will see one more questions. In that one more questions you have to learn first question, second question, fifth question, sixth question, seventh question, 11th and 12th. First, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 11th and 12th. Okay, then open page number 279. The next page only we have to learn 14, 15, 17, 18, 21, 22, 27. Okay, 14, 15, 17, 21, 22, 27. After that, open page number 281. There we have to learn 53, 54, 57, 63. Okay, these are which is from 278 to 281. Here, which I am writing here, these all are one mark questions only. Don't be surprised to see these all questions. Okay, what is this 1 2 1 4 5 6 7 11 12 14 15 17 18 21 22 27 53 54 57 63. These are only one mark questions and they will complete in one line only. Okay, so these are all important. Next, open page number 282. There we can see we have to learn first question. This is very important. Very important. It is a flow chart of pollution. Flow chart of this lesson. A small flow chart of this lesson. For this lesson, you can remember your total concept from this lesson on this flow chart only. And lastly, open page number 283 and learn what third question, that is what are the industries that causes water pollution. Okay, so if you want to learn additional questions, if you want to gain additional knowledge, I will give you some other questions which is very simple. For that, open page number 284. Page number 284. You can see workbook part. In that workbook part, you have to learn 2 marks question. For this 2 marks question, they will not give you any answers to read. You have that's why only I tell at first only. That is, you have to listen lesson in YouTube, and after you learn all these questions with bits. After with your knowledge, you have to see these all questions, and with your knowledge you can answer these questions very easily after learning these all questions and listening lesson and bits. Okay, this will help you in increase your knowledge. If you want to write it, write in a notebook and show it to your teacher. Your teacher will correct your answer. Okay, let's meet in another class with another lesson, interesting important questions lesson. That is the last lesson, 11th lesson. For with this biology subject is completed. Okay, so bye bye, let's meet in another class.